If you're feeling lost in life, the first thing to keep in mind is that you are not alone in these feelings. Even the most charismatic people you know, whether in person or celebrities of some sort, experience days where they are feeling lost in life, are losing interest in life, or are feeling confused and frustrated at the same time. Here in this video, I will share few things you should remember when you feel lost in your life. Number 1. It's just a phase. Remember, nothing in life is permanent. The rough patch we are going through may not even last a week, but we feel that it might consume our mental health. It's important to remind yourself that nothing lasts forever, and that will give you the time and mental space to think more rationally and ease your burden. Number 2. Feeling lost also means you're open to opportunities. Sometimes what you need is a change of perspective. Feeling lost could mean that you have outgrown your current situation, and because you have evolved as a person, you need to find newer opportunities, whether they be in business, career, or relationships. It's that fundamental shift in perspective that can reorient your depressive thinking into a mindset that accepts and welcomes change. Number 3. Focus on the present. The feelings that you are going through might wash over the next day. Outcome-based thinking can overwhelm us, especially if we think that what we have to achieve is beyond our capabilities. As the saying goes, a journey of 1,000 miles starts with a single step. You need to focus on putting one step in front of the other and keep going. Focus on the process of improving, learning, and progressing through life instead of conjuring up dreams and fantasies without taking into account what entails achieving them. Number 4. Reflect. If you are feeling lost for a while, maybe it is better to step back from the humdrum of life and evaluate your choices and goals. Do you know where you are going? What actions are congruent to your goals and which are not? Asking yourselves questions like these can get you unstuck and pedaling towards your desired harbor in no time. If you are the captain of your life's ship, you should take charge in commandeering it safely to the shore. 5. Don't think. Just do it. Paralysis by analysis has become extremely common in today's age of abundance and readily available information. But humans learn by actually doing. They feel fulfilled by actually doing the things they set out to do. Instead of getting bogged in overthinking your next move, why not take that leap of faith and actually take on that new project at the office, ask that person out, and show up at the gym after resolving that you would for the millionth time? If you started doing things that wanted to do, you wouldn't feel so lost after a while. Number 6. Account for your time. Successful people are good at accounting for their time. We all get 24 hours in a day, but we use that allotted time differently, leading to different results. Benjamin Franklin developed a habit of accountability early in life. He would ask himself, "What good can I do today?" upon rising, and at night, before going to sleep, he would ask, "What good have I done today?" How you use your time during your waking hours determines the quality of the life you can achieve. Number 7. Recognize your strengths. Everyone has their own flaws and strengths. When we feel lost, losing sight of our overall character and personality can give us a lopsided view of ourselves. Our self-esteem suffers as a result of such inaccurate self-depictions. It is important that we recognize that we are okay the way we are and that we are also endowed with certain strengths. Number 8. Exercise. Exercise has tons of benefits for your cognition, physical health, and mood. A moderate to high-intensity workout can stave off depression and keep you cognitively functioning well into your later life. The sense of accomplishment alone after a good workout can help you realize that your life is not all gone to the dogs. If you have even one thing in life going for you, it can set you on the right path because good habits lead to other good habits. Just put one foot in front of the other and maybe you will start to feel and think a little clearer after some time. Don't play the victim, that will only serve to entrench the feeling. Enjoy the process of discovering yourself and your purpose. Have a good life. Consider subscribing the channel.